Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living for eHow, making a lemon pineapple salad. This is a very simple salad dressing. We're going to take, of course, some pineapple juice, fresh pineapple juice, and some ginger. Ginger's going to give it a nice little flavor here too. And I've got some honey, or you can use agave nectar to sweeten it up a little more. And we'll balance that out with some olive oil here, some extra virgin olive oil. And some lemon juice. I'm going to put one lemon in and then use my trusty lemon squeezer for the other one. Just the juice from one lemon is fine. And you can add any spices, any salt, pepper. I'm just going to keep it real simple for this one. Just whisk it. Very refreshing salad dressing. We'll put some over here now. Salad, and then garnish the salad with a fresh pineapple slice. And here you have it, a lemon pineapple salad. I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose for eHow.com.